have a brand new hot tub? Or are you starting it up with fresh water? Either way, Frog Serene makes it easy. Here's the skinny on how to start up your hot tub quickly and serenely. First, open your Frog Serene system box. Inside, you'll find a packet of Frog Jumpstart Shock, 10 Frog test strips, 1 mineral cartridge, 1 bromine cartridge, and the floating holder. After the hot tub's been drained and cleaned, fill it with fresh water. If your water is hard, check with your dealer on solutions for softening the water. This will make water balance much easier. Then, balance your hot tub water with total alkalinity between 80 and 120 ppm, pH between 7.2 and 7.8, and hardness ideally between 150 and 250 ppm. For a refresher on water balance, visit frogbalance.com for a helpful video, and always use Frog test strips. Or download the Frog Water Care app with precise instructions on what your water needs to get it in balance. Now it's time to create an initial sanitizer level. Pour Frog Jumpstart directly into your hot tub and watch the effervescent bubbles go to work removing contaminants. Next, set the Frog Serene mineral cartridge wide open at number 6. And insert into one opening of the Frog Serene floating holder or top opening of the Frog Serene inline holder. Then, take your Frog Serene bromine cartridge, adjust it to the setting number found in your Frog Serene manual, and insert that into the other opening. If you don't have a manual, visit frogproducts.com, click on the Frog Serene page, and then on the manuals link. The bromine cartridge will last about a month, depending on how much you use your hot tub. The fresh minerals team up with the bromine to kill bacteria 2 ways, while keeping your water silky smooth. Be sure to monitor your bromine levels over the next few days, testing the water regularly and adjusting the bromine cartridge to maintain a nice low level of 1 to 2 parts per million. And that's it! Your water's ready, you're ready, and hot tub serenity is just around the corner. Have questions? Give us a call. We're happy to help.